We've just uncovered which tiger gave this lioness her bloody injury, and the truth is far more brutal than anyone realized. Stick around for this in-depth analysis as we uncover a brutal clash between lions and tigers. On October 27, 2025, inside the Anhui Wannan Wildlife Park, a brutal confrontation took place between a female lion versus a male Siberian tiger. And after days of reviewing footage, analyzing frame by frame, and verifying the facts, we've uncovered the full untold truth of what really happened. We've uncovered that the park first introduced its tiger cubs on October 19, 2024, where the tigers were 1 month old. That means that during the October 2025 fight, these tigers were over a year old. The lions, however, were introduced earlier on August 15th, 2024. This also makes the lionesses over a year old at the time of the incident. The lions were 3 months older than the tigers. There's further elaboration on the age information can be found in the description below. By standard zoological age classifications, both species are considered juveniles, not yet fully grown, and still far from their physical peak. Inside their enclosure, we were able to identify 6 animals in total, 4 tigers, of which we were able to confirm 3 males and 1 female, and for the lions, both are females. Through detailed pattern comparison and footage review, we confirmed that it was in fact the same male tiger throughout all the violent interactions identified by his stripe patterns. We've collected additional footage revealing the other 2 tigers in the enclosure, one with an X-shaped pattern on his face confirmed to be male, and another with a completely different pattern not resembling the other 2 tigers, also confirmed to be male. We've also found additional footage confirming the female's presence. That confirms the full count, 3 males and 1 female. And finally, the 2 female lions. A male Siberian tiger is seen grappling the lioness in a temporary hold, overpowering her with his superior strength and size advantage. The lioness struggled furiously, thrashing beneath the tiger's weight until the tiger voluntarily released her, likely due to the lioness's frantic, constant movement. Despite the brief but intense struggle, the lioness sustained only minor scratches. In later footage, the lioness could be seen with her ears pinned back, head lowered and hissing, yet still approaching another tiger, causing that tiger to back off slightly. This behavior shows defiance and even frustration. Even after losing against the male tiger, the lioness wasn't retreating. She was still standing her ground. While the tiger didn't seem intent on killing, the footage along with other clips shows a consistent pattern. These tigers appear to be bullying this particular lioness. The male tiger cornered the same lioness again, forcing her partially onto her side in a defensive posture. The tiger lunged, clamping down on her throat. Desperate, the lioness fought back, kicking violently with her hind legs until one of her kicks struck the tiger's eye socket, forcing him to release his grip. The third and final encounter, lasting about 16 seconds, showed the same male tiger clamping down on the lioness by her head. When he finally releases his grip, he reveals something very graphic. The lioness's ears was covered in blood, a severe but non-fatal wound. This is the footage that later went viral online, sparking confusion and misinformation. It's worth noting, most of the available clips begin after the fights were already in motion, so the actual causes of each fight remain unknown. However, given that the tigers have repeatedly been seen harassing the same lioness, it's highly probable that the tiger initiated these fights. We've even covered similar incidents before where tigers launched unexpected attacks on unsuspecting lions. Now there's a lot of rumors and misinformation being spread about this video, so we are going to be clarifying all of them right now. After the video went viral, both lion and tiger supporters clashed online with conflicting claims. Lion supporters argued that the tiger was older or nearly fully grown, and that the lioness was also toothless. Tiger supporters, on the other hand, claimed that the tiger in the fight sequences was a female tiger, and also claimed that the tigress was the one responsible for the bloody ear injury. Both of these claims are completely false. There were 3 separate fights. All 3 fight sequences included the same male individual, as we've confirmed both his gender and the stripe patterns, with the 3rd interaction resulting in the lioness getting injured. That means that it was a male tiger, not a tigress, caused the injury to the lioness. The claims that a tigress was responsible for that injury is misinformation and false propaganda being spread by tiger fans. Both cats were juveniles, far from adulthood. While the lionesses were slightly older, the tigers appeared larger, which isn't surprising as majority of these tigers are males, and males develop faster than females in early growth stages. I've even outlined the tiger individuals to remove any doubt about their sizes. The tigers are in fact larger. As for the toothless claim, that is a completely false claim being spread by lion fans as well. The lioness's canines were small and milky white, consistent with young developing teeth, not absence. The lioness did in fact have a full set of teeth, as we've confirmed through multiple series of frames and angles. Another crucial clarification: at this age, male juveniles can be very difficult to assess their genders visually. The absence of visible genitalia doesn't automatically confirm a female. Proper verification needs to be confirmed before making any hasty conclusions. A lot of tiger fans were saying this was a female when in fact it was a male tiger the whole time. So in conclusion, this was not a case of a tiger killing a lion, but rather a brutal series of clashes between a male and female juvenile, both still maturing and far from their prime. Encounters like these prove very little about interspecies superiority. When both animals are underdeveloped, differences in growth rate, maturity, and gender differences can heavily skew outcomes of these fights, making any winner meaningless in a scientific sense. But when we cut through the online bias and the false claims, the truth becomes clear. The bloody injury was caused by a male Siberian tiger, not a tigress. Both were juveniles, both were still growing, and this was never a test of dominance between fully grown individuals, but a tragic conflict between immature ones still learning their place. We'll continue to uncover the truth behind these viral big cat encounters, separating fact from fiction, one case at a time. This is Team LTC, and this is our in-depth breakdown on the Anhui lion vs tiger bloody injury case.